Assalamu alaikum. My name is Noor Abdullah. I'm a
Walaikum
physiotherapy student and I'm from Sudan. My question is, we as young people have really strong friendships with people who commit like terrible sins, and like they steal impossible amounts of money and they commit zina like it's a daily thing, but they're really important friends. Is there anything that we can do other than cutting them off? Do you have any advice, any possible thing other than cutting them off?
Sister asked the question that you have got friends who are doing sins like zina.
Yeah,
Is there anything you can do besides cutting off from them?
other than cutting them off.
Sister, the golden rule of friendship is that if you have friends who are doing sin, number one, you have to see who is influencing you more. If you are influencing her more and she's not influencing you, continue the friendship. If she's not influencing you, maybe you have a friend who's cheating, bribing, zina, but if she's not influencing you and you are influencing her, continue the friendship. Even I've got friends who drink alcohol. I may not call them close friends, I may call them acquaintances, because I'm trying to do dawah with them, Islam with them. Some are Muslim, some are non-Muslim. You know, being friends with non-Muslim, friend, what is the definition of friend? Non-Muslim doing shirk is more bad than doing zina, right? Doing shirk is more bad than doing zina. But when I'm acquaintance of friends with a non-Muslim, my purpose is to win them over to Islam. Shirk is much more bad than zina. So, the golden rule is that if you keep friendship with non-Muslim, and if he's influencing you more, okay, Jesus is God, okay, then you better break the friendship. First, you have to save yourself. So, the golden rule is that if you are a strong practicing Muslimah, if you have got friends who are doing minor sins, major sins, shirk, zina, and if you can influence them, please continue your friendship. Till the point you think, now it's useless wasting time, then stop it. Your main purpose should be, I am continuing with the friendship or the acquaintanceship is because I want to get them closer to the deen. If that is your niyyah, if your niyyah is no, I'm close to her because she helps me in my homework, she helps me, she gives me money, we go out together, then the Prophet said, keep friends who are good. Correct? So if your niyyah is because she's benefiting you in worldly things, then I would say stop it. Because you're not benefiting them. She is influencing you in some way. But if the Prophet said, and the hadith of the Prophet, that if you go to a coal man, an ironsmith, surely something black will touch to you. If you go to a perfume seller, the perfume will touch you. So keep good friends. So for the person who's doing sin, you are a good friend. If you can be the good friend and influence them, alhamdulillah. But if she is influencing you more, please stop it. So the golden rule is, even if they are sinners, if your aim is, I want to give them hidayah, do islah, if they are Muslims, I want to dawah, if they're Christian, go ahead. As long as they're strong on your faith. If you realize you're going to little bit shake, that's the time you should say enough. You change your friend. Because at the same time, keep friendship with people who are more knowledgeable. I like, when I meet scholars, I'll do anything for them. I'm a very busy person, but anyone who's a dai, who's a scholar, I want to gain from them. I'm not a scholar. So you should see to it that you have two types of friends. One type of friend so that you gain by doing dawah and islah. Other type of friend, you go higher in deen, higher in knowledge. If you're going to only have friends who are bad, it will not be good for your akhirah. So have friends as long as you can influence them and change them, convert them or do islah. At the same time, keep friends who are higher in deen and knowledge so that you increase your knowledge. Hope that answers the question, sister.